Hey TT Squad, this is Tia. How you doing? I am making salmon today. I didn't know I was gonna make it at first, but I could eat a lot of fish, so this is something that I seen on YouTube, and I was like, let me try to make. I'm putting oil on top of my salmon and rub it in. Gotta rub the oil in. Gotta put it on both sides. I don't know why, because I'm going to cook it in the oven. I'm not going to cook it on the stove. Just gotta rub the oil in. Okay, rub it on both sides. I gotta put pepper. I don't really care for lemon. It calls for lemon, but I'm not a lemon person. I really don't like lemon at all. I've been using on my recipes, and it be like too much. And it's Italian season. I'm in love with Italian season. I love with it. Okay, let me wash my hands off. Okay. See, I got them right here. So I'm going to put this to the side because I'm going to stuff them. The guy kind of didn't cut this right, but I didn't want to argue with him. So I went on and took that piece anyway. Then he cut the other one too small. So I'm going to stick that right there because I told you I have a little kitchen. So working with a little kitchen. Get my spoon out of here. I'm going to stuff it with spinach. I have cream cheese in here, half a stick of cream cheese, 2 eggs, ricotta cheese, and I got my spinach in here. I'm going to stir it all up together. When I cut the spinach up, I didn't make a lot because I only had 2 pieces, so I'm just stirring it up in here, and it's getting really, I guess, together. Okay, kind of mushy. I think I should have used my beater, but it's getting all together. Once y'all see it, y'all be like, oh, okay. Oh, look. See, this is what it look like. Bam. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back after I finish stirring it up and let y'all see the end results of it. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. Now, I had to get together because it took a minute to stir it up. See, and I forgot I got Parmesan cheese in here and mozzarella cheese. It's low fat, low sodium, and all that good stuff. So, I'm about to cut this off. I hate salmon with skin on it. I really do. So, I'm going to tear like on the side right here to put the, I guess this side, I don't know which side to tear it on, because all of it. Okay, I'm going to cut it on this side, see? If I can stuff it, look at it. See? So I cut it right there, and I'm going to stuff it. I need a spoon. Should have been had a spoon out, y'all. But I'm not going to stuff it a lot, and I know I made a lot of sauce. So after I do that, I'm going to stuff some chicken. Chicken in. And I'm going to cook it in the oven. It goes in the oven. You can cook it on top of the stove, but I'd rather cook in the oven because I can tell when it's done in the oven. I can't tell when it's done on top of the stove. Y'all don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm doing it. That's how it's supposed to be stuffed. And this is, I'm putting it in one of these cast iron pans. This is my grandma's pan. Before she died, I got this from her. She let me have it. That's too much oil, but it's going to move around. See? It's moving around. It is moving around. So I'm going to lift this up, put it in there. Okay. So I'm going to cut this one on the side too. So this one is a thinner one. Dude wasn't listening. I don't think he understood what I was saying when I told him I wanted big enough I can stuff him. And I didn't want to, he was new because the guy was training him. I didn't feel like going through all that with him. I was just like, fine, it's okay. It wasn't really okay, but I just settled for it. It takes about 45 minutes in the oven because it's supposed to be stuffed, see? Ugh. Shouldn't have put that back right there. It need to be clean, see? See how it's stuffed? Takes about 45 minutes. I'm going to put that in the oven. Y'all, I gotta wash my, I'm doing this in the trash. Yeah, I throw that in the trash. Put that in there. I gotta throw it in the trash. TT Squad, I'm gonna stick this in the oven and I'll be right back. TT Squad, I know I gotta came over. I had so much left that I had chicken breast because I do food prep. So it's so much left. I'm gonna try it with, never seen spinach stuff with chicken before, but I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna close it up. The timer say 45 minutes. This say, I'm gonna say about 40 minutes on there. Cause I don't need throwing it away because, yeah, it's gonna go to waste. And this gonna lay it on top and let it cook. And still got a lot left. When I do my food prep, I can't make so much food because I can't eat it all. And I can't keep eating leftovers for 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 days. When I made them salmon cakes, I had to throw them away. I made 5, but I ate on one salmon cake for 2 days. So I wound up throwing them in the trash. So these are stuffed chicken. With the it got Parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese, cottage cheese, and it has spinach in it. With the Italian seasoning, pepper, all that good stuff on there. That being said, TT Squad, I'll be right back. TT Squad, like, share, subscribe. What? Like, share, subscribe. My son mad at me, y'all. He broke my broom and put it in the closet and gonna tell me that I broke it and put it in the closet. Now, y'all know if I broke a broom, I'm gonna know I broke it. I'm not gonna blame him. Girl, he got an attitude because he said he ain't do it. Who else broke the broom? Not me. I'm gonna break the broom and put it in the closet where the broom go at. When I go look for it, to sweep the floor, it's broke. He broke the broom. I just want him to confess that he broke it. But he keeps saying, Mom, I ain't break it. I ain't break it. You broke it. Now I have to go to the store later on buy a broom. And ain't nothing like them big, healthy, nice, thick brooms. Oh, kids. Bye-bye, TT Squad. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. So, I had to wait because I had to make potatoes. See? Salmon, stuffed salmon with baked potato. And then I turned around, had so much left, I did a chicken. So, my meal prep for the week. I ain't gonna do but take them and put them in my little containers and prep them up for the week. So, because I'm not gonna be able to eat all that. And my son, here's my little bowls for my meal prep. My son already ate his. He said he didn't want none, he didn't like it. Mom, what are you cooking? And I'm like, okay. And see, look at the inside of it. Look at this. Look at the inside. Ain't no need to have vegetables because I got vegetables all in it. So I'm doing my little meal prep. That's a piece right there. And that's all I'm going to eat. I'm not going to be able to eat the whole thing, so ain't no need pretending like I'm going to eat the whole thing. This probably be for a couple of days because I can't eat the whole thing, so the salmon. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be for 4 days. And that's being said, y'all. I'm putting them in my little containers. I'm not eating it today. Today is Sunday. Wait for them to cool off. And then I'm gonna just freeze it. See, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is gonna be dinner. For lunch, I'm going to make some salad for lunch every day. I got some little chicken strips. I'll make some salad. That's going to be my lunch all during the week. So, yeah, there you go. Bop, 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 bop. I'm sorry, because I'm learning, like, I'll be cooking all the time. I'm loving cooking. One time I couldn't stand in the kitchen. Every time you turn around, I'm in the kitchen. With that being said, TT Squad, see you later. Bye.